Grabe naman. Dalawang veterano. No good. 2 points. Put back by me. Anilog. Later is good by Ibanez. Time to shoot. Jumper is good by Mas G. And 40 seconds left now. 5 minutes remaining. Still by Van Rod.
Batang-bata.
2 points. Just a pass, 2 points. No good. Rebound by Van. Grabe naman yun. 10 to shoot. Dante, easy basket by Dante. Pagka-miss ka na, Kuya Rolls, miss ka na namin. Gogen, awalang damit. Okay. 2 points. Three minutes remaining, 3 minutes. 2 points. Okay guys, importante ng manalo. Dahil naabot tayo ng 2 game. 2 points by Donald. No good, sayang. 2 points by Mas G. 10 seconds. 2 points. Nueva na, importante manalo. Steal agad. 2 points by John Rowe. Matik na lista mo na basta ka. Nico, 2 points.
Ito mo? Ito mo? Kailangan eh.
2 points.
Yan lang ako bibili.
Grabe naman yun, 2 points. Aniloy, 2 points. Important. Basta. 2 points. No good. Bandera. 11 points na ang kalamangan, 2 points. Easy basket by Shane. Siyan. Grabe naman yun. Gilbane. Shane, lupa. Sayang, 2 points. 10 to shoot. 2 points.
Coach yun.
2 points by Irvine. Steal. Advance pass. Mardi ang gagawin ng highlights nga ba? 2 points. Good. Nice pass. 2 points by Carl. Salary. Easy basket. Talaga? Slide. Dalog na tulog. Importante manalo guys. 2 points by Selby. Oh! Easy basket by Steele.
Kaya ever since walang sense.
Step back, 3. Grabe naman yun, 2 points. 20 seconds. 15. Oh! Parang silang preview na. 2 points. Lodi, dibasok kay Lodi. Grabe naman yun, 2 points. Selling, back-to-back 2 points. And to shoot. 2 points. Nablang-blanka. Oh! 2 points. Saan na pala ng bola? Back to hard. Bawal. Selwyn. Power move. 2 points. 2 minutes remaining. Sian. 2 points. Good! 1 minute and 30 seconds. 2 points. Floater is good. 23 seconds remaining. 3 points. By Bronny. Steal. Grabe naman ang steal talaga yun. By Scott Lodi. Si basketball Lodi. 15 to shoot. Steal na naman. Bronny. 2 points by Bronny. 5 to shoot. Grabe yun. 2 points by Pasas. Points by Bronny. 10. 2 points. Good. 10 to shoot. DJ Martin is Pasas mobile. Grabe naman yun. Steal by Bronny. 2 points. Basas! Tayo mo! Good. Buti na lang. Hanggang C. 8 steals by DJ Martin. Another one. Uy! Grabe yan. 2 points. Vera. 2 points by Sian. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Bam! 3 points by Nick. Oh, bigyan guys. 2 points by Bronny. Oh, 2 points. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 points by Masji. Remaining. 2 points by Masji.
Kaporma si Masji ah.
2 points. 5. Two, 15 to shoot. Nice pass. 2 points by Kian Bao. Rebound by Kian Bao. Good. Grabe yun. Bashir, 2 points. Ooh, 2 points by Basa. Rebound by Shane. Grabe.
Grabe na. Napakabilis.
2 points.
Suko.
Shane.
Dumi yan.
Nice to shoot. 2 points by Kian Bao. Two points by Van 15 seconds. Kian Bao, no good. Rebound by Shane. Shane, easy basket. No lucky bounce. Lugi! Magulaan minutes remaining. Shane, easy basket by Shane. Good. 2 points by Basa. Hello. 5.
Alin! Alin! Lin!
Salvo, easy basket by Salvo. Two points by Easy. Two points by Gianda. Good. Ibanez agad play to Kyle. Easy basket. Oh, sayang. Two points. Two points. Now it's score. 2 points. Now it's Ligo. Wala pa rin. 2 points. Wala pa rin 2 points.
Yaman.
Oh, parang good. 2 points. 10 to shoot. Nice pass. Pasa ulit. Easy basket by Kian Bao. Two points by Irvine. Sino? Two points. Two points by Ibanez. Time remaining. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes. 2 points. 1 minute remaining. 2 points. Two points. How is score?
Baloktot yung dalawa. Pinabigyan mo. Hawak pa.
2 points. Bigyan na lang.
Migo!
2 points. Ibanez, 2 points. Apat na lang. Dalawa na lang. Uy, grabe naman yun. Tiambao, 2 points. 2 points. Mag-isa si Nico. Nico easy basket.
Parang-arang to.
2 points, time. Time remaining, 3 minutes. Remaining, 3 minutes. 2 points by Tiambao.
Born half.
Nice pass. Easy basket by Tiambao. 2 points. Irvine for 3. Tatlo ang naman. 2 minutes remaining, 2 minutes, 2 points. Two points, lamang 8 and 30 seconds. 2 points, Ricky Ambal. Rebound by Dante. Bam! Nice pass. Easy basket. All 37. 35 seconds. 2 points. Lamang sila ng dalawa. 30 seconds. 2 points. All 39. 8.